Good morning, class 4th class. This is English literature book, and we have started chapter 10, Adventure at the Circus, and we have completed till this line. After then, but Neeraj had seen her. She was little Neha from the second standard who had been sitting 2 rows behind him. He was beside her in a flash and pulled her out of the way moments before the motorcycle rushed past. The motorcycle came to a stop. The rider got off. He rushed to Neha. The owner of the circus and Mrs. Roy came running too. Are you all right? The rider asked. Yes, Neha replied in a small voice. Bhaiya saved me. You were really brave, Ravi whispered to Neeraj. So here, when there was an accident with Neha, what happened? When the little girl was in problem, Neeraj saw her and the girl was from second standard. So Neeraj pulled out from there and saved her life. And then after some time, the motorcycle stopped. The rider came to Neha, and also the owner of the circus, their teacher, Mrs. Roy, came there to know the situation of Neha. And she said that Bhaiya means Neeraj. Okay, Bhaiya saved me, Neeraj saved me. And after that, Ravi said to Neeraj that you are really a brave boy. Okay, well done. So, next thing is, everyone went back to their seats. The circus started again. Neha sat beside Neeraj for the rest of the show. Afterwards, the children crowded around the food stalls. Neeraj had no money. He stood quietly in a corner. Neha's parents had come to take her home and heard of Neeraj's bravery. They came up to him and hugged him. Thank you for saving our daughter, Neha's mother said, touching his head. Okay, so after all that, everyone go back to their seat and show was started again. Okay, and Neha sat beside Neeraj. And after the show, the children went into the food stall area, but Neeraj had no money. So he stood silently in a corner. And after some time, Neha's parents came there to take her home and knew all about the incident and Nina's bravery also. So they came to the Neeraj, hugged him, thanked him in a so lovingly manner. Okay. Together they went to the food stall where Neeraj had his favorite banana chips. As he sank his teeth in a chip with a satisfying crunch, he thought it's a good day. Then they all went to the food stall area. They miss Neeraj, Neha and Neha's parents. Okay, so they all went to the food stall area and Neeraj enjoyed his favorite banana chips and he enjoyed all the movement in a very happy manner. Okay, and he said to himself that it's a very good day, it's a wonderful day. Okay. When Neeraj came home in the evening, his mother asked, did you enjoy the circus? Which act did you like the best? And when he came to his house, his mother asked about his day. Okay, about the day in circus. So Neeraj gave a big smile. Okay. There was a big smile on Neeraj's face as he told her what happened at the circus. You were very brave, my son, his mother said after he finished his story. It was the best day of my life, Neeraj explained. So here, there was a big smile on Neeraj's face. He told everything about the day of circus, at the circus. Okay, about his bravery, that's how he saved the Neha's life. Okay, And after listening all that, his mother was very happy. Okay, and in the last, Neeraj said that it was the best day of his life, which he can never forget it. Okay, so class, here the story is completed. Hope you all enjoyed it very much. Okay, and this is also a lesson for you. Clear? So, come to the exercise. The first question is, number the sentences in the order of the events in the story. Class, there are some sentences. We have to arrange them in a according to the story. Okay, that's which lines come first, which line come next. Okay, so Mrs. Roy took the students to the circus on Wednesday. So this is line number first. Okay, here we'll write 1. Okay, according to the story, this is the first situation. Acrobats rode tall unicycles, cycles, and trapeze artists performed daring acts. So this is line number 2nd. Okay, according to the story. And the man rode his motorcycle into the area where the children sat. This is line number 3rd. Neeraj pulled Neha out of the motorcycle's way. This is line number 4th. Okay. The students discussed what they would buy from the food stalls. This is line number 5th. Neha's parents bought Neeraj banana chips. This is line number 6. And question number A completed. Okay. Next question, page number 17. Complete the sentences with these sound words. Class, these are sound words. Okay. Voice. We have to complete the sentences by using these words. So the first sentence is, Neeraj jumped into the swimming pool with a big splash. In number first, you will fill splash. Okay. The race car rattled past me. In number second, you will fill rattled. The snake hissed when it was disturbed. In number third, you will fill hissed. The van screeched to a halt to avoid hitting the dog. In number 4th, you will fill screeched. The horse neighed loudly when it saw the jockey. So in number 5th, you will fill neighed. Okay. The windows zoomed in the storm. So in number 6, you will fill zoomed. So this question completed. Next question is, match the movement verbs with their meanings and make sentences using them. Class, we have to match them. Okay, these are movement verb, means action verb, and these are their meaning, and we have to match it. Just like march. March means walk with regular steps like a soldier. Okay. Leap. Leap means jump. Drag. Drag means pull something along with difficulty. Crawl. Crawl means move forward on one's hands and knees. And dive. Dive means jump into the water. So this is completed. Next question. Question number A. Underline the verbs that the adverbs in bold describe. Okay. So class, in this question, we have to underline the verb word. Okay. First is, he walked into the room silently. Silently is the adverb, and which verb is walked. Okay, walk is the verb word, so underline it. Sumit was whistling merrily as he walked down the road. So merrily is the adverb word, and whistling is the verb word, so underline it. The sun shone brightly through the clouds. So brightly is adverb word and shone is a verb word, so underline it. He sat comfortably on the sofa. So comfortably adverb word and sat verb word, so underline it. He replied rudely to her question. So rudely adverb word and replied is a verb word. Okay, so underline it. And this question completed. Next question is, make adverbs from the adjectives in the box, then use the adverbs to complete the sentences. Class, these are adjectives word. Okay, we have to complete these sentences by using this word but in adverb form. Okay, just like number first, the old man crossed the busy road quickly. Okay, quickly. Ram lifted the heavy suitcase easily. Easily. Reena always walks very carefully. Carefully. Priya sings and dances beautifully. Beautifully. The teacher is absent but the class is sitting quietly. Okay, quietly. The thin cat hungrily licked the milk which Azim gave her. Hungrily. Ravi was talking excitedly with his friends. Excitedly. Okay? Excitedly. Next, the lion roared angrily. Angrily. So this is completed and your chapter 10 book exercise also totally completed. Okay, so thank you.